Hello folks, right, the missus just asked me to go into the garden and pick some fresh tomatoes, cucumbers and other bits and pieces, so I'm just going into the garden now, and I'm just looking at these bird feeders. I'm constantly filling them up. Most of the time I'm getting a blue tits, variety of blue tits, starlings and pigeons, so I might have to change the type of seeds that I put in there to attract the other birds. Right, let's have a look what we got here. Right, let's go and get the cutters. Let's get the pruners. While we're here, let's have a look at this clementine. How is it doing? Right, we've got one here. There's quite a few on this. It's looking very healthy. I should get some fruit on it next year. And there's a blood orange there, and grapes are coming, but the starlings will finish them off soon. As soon as they go red, the grapes go red, the starlings swoop on them and eat them all. So what I've done is I brought this grape here, which is flame red. See how that goes next year. It's been very bad this year for the gardeners. This is my melon. I grew some melon last year, but this is their size, and it's almost middle of September 2024. Nothing's happened. Same as this one here. I was successful last year, but this year it's been very poor. Right, let's go and harvest some tomatoes for the missus. Or let's see if we got any red ones. Alright, here we are. Got a nice one here. Let's see if we can find another one for her. Wow, look at the size of this one. There should be one at the back here. Oh, here it is. I'll have to put the camera down to get that one. Here we are. Nice. I'll leave them on there for a minute. Let's pick a few of these as well for her. Let's get some of these black tomatoes as well. This bigger pepper. So look at some of these aubergines. That's a nice one. Well, that's it for today. I think she's got enough there.